This sad looking caladium is not dead. At this point it is just a bulb. Start by loosening the soil a bit and then you can try to find caladium bulbs in the soil. In this pot there are 2. Then cut off the remaining stems and roots from the bulbs. Here you can see a repetition of the same process, different caladium. If you want to know more about the caladium life cycle, check out the video in the pop-up in the corner of the screen. Put the bulb in a paper bag. Store the paper bags with the bulbs in a dry environment that is not too warm. Halfway through the winter period, I check the bulbs for rot and to clean up the bulbs a little bit. The bulbs of the Florida Sweetheart could definitely use the cleanup. Check all the paper bags and if you find a rotten bulb, it is best to throw it away.